Hello, welcome to vlog number 6 for January 15th, 2019. And for this one, I am reviewing StoryMap for a software that could be potentially used for our group project. So, this is just an overview of the site. They have their maps. You can add a slide for each place in your story. For us, that'll be like different buildings through campus. And if we want to expand it outside of campus, we can add places where students have came from, places like that. Now, here are some examples. We have, just click on the Washington Post story map here. And it'll show the presence of the Islamic State controlled cities, Kurd controlled cities, contested cities, and Iraqi controlled cities here in Iraq. And then moving around, you can zoom in on here, and it'll bring up information about the place on the map that you clicked on. And I feel that is just one example. There are multiple examples here, like we have the Times map, City Journal for the most expensive transfers in football history, and then there's one for Arya Stark's journey in Game of Thrones. So this works for whatever we want to do. I really like the way it looks, the way it moves. So, and if we in here, this is for us if we want to get like really advanced with it. I don't think that we'd ever need to get advanced in putting JavaScript in here. But other than that, I really like this software. I think it fits our needs for the class. And be a perfect way to track student stories, time on campus, things like that. So, thank you for listening today.